I'll be honest, I bought this with very low expectations. It's Amazon Basics, the name itself suggests it's just meant to be cheap and functional. Now, I was expecting mediocre performance, just enough to get the job done. But then I tested it and I was genuinely shocked. This so-called basic card didn't just keep up with the premium brands like SanDisk and Samsung, it actually beat them in critical area. The unboxing is simple, just cardboard packaging, the card and the SD adapter. The design is plain, no flashy graphics other than the orange color, exactly what you would expect from a budget memory card. But the real story is performance hiding inside. Let's get straight to the numbers. In my benchmark test, the sequential write speed topped out at over 91 megabytes per second. Now to confirm, I transferred a 6 gigabyte Windows ISO file and it held a rock solid sustained write speed of nearly 84 to 85 megabytes per second. Now that's excellent performance for large files, perfect for recording 4K video or transferring games to a Steam Deck. That result was on par with the more expensive SanDisk Extreme card. Impressive, but not the shocking part. The real surprise was the random write speed. This is crucial for running apps, using it as an OS drive on Raspberry Pi, or how snappy your device feels. The Amazon Basics card hit over 15 megabytes per second. For context, both the SanDisk Extreme and Samsung Evo Plus cards I tested on the exact same setup were stuck at less than 5 megabytes per second. Now this wasn't a small difference. The Amazon Basics card was more than 3 times faster in one area that actually affects day-to-day responsiveness of your devices. I also ran these tests multiple times because I could not believe it. So what does this mean? We have a budget card that delivers flagship level sequential speeds and completely dominates its competition in random write performance. The only real question mark is the long time reliability. SanDisk and Samsung have decades of trust behind them, while Amazon Basics is still newer in this space. But here's my verdict. If you need performance on budget, this is the card to get. The speed you get for the price is unbeatable for a Raspberry Pi, Steam Deck, Nintendo Switch, or even your phone. That 3 times faster random write speed is a game changer you will actually feel. Now this little piece of plastic is without a doubt a hidden gem. Have you used one of these cards, the Amazon Basics card? Share your experience in the comments down below, and if this review helped you out, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more no nonsense tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.